Understanding Tokenomics, a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency supply and demand. Tokenomics, a term commonly used in the realm of cryptocurrency, delves into the internal workings of crypto projects. It provides insights into how these digital assets function and the psychological and behavioral factors that can influence their value. Well-designed tokenomics can incentivize buying and holding tokens, playing a crucial role in a project's success. Conversely, projects with poor tokenomics often face challenges and may eventually fail. Recognizing the importance of tokenomics is a vital step when considering whether to invest in a cryptocurrency. In this article, we'll explore the fundamentals of tokenomics, its key features, and its role in cryptocurrency supply and demand dynamics. We'll also discuss concepts such as token burning, token allocations, and more. By the end, you'll understand why tokenomics is a critical factor in assessing cryptocurrency value. What is tokenomics? Tokenomics is a portmanteau of token and economics, and it refers to the economic aspects of a crypto project. It encompasses various characteristics of a cryptocurrency, including its issuance, attributes, distribution, supply, demand, and other related factors. Before diving deeper into tokenomics, it's essential to understand what a crypto token is. These tokens are digital units of currency created by crypto projects on existing blockchain. Much like traditional currencies, crypto tokens have a certain value and can be exchanged. In contrast to traditional economics, where governments often create additional money, cryptocurrency projects have predefined and algorithmically determined token issuance schedules. This means we can predict the number of coins that will be in circulation at any given time. Additionally, the distribution of these coins among various stakeholders is carefully planned. While it's technically possible to modify the issuance schedule and distribution plan, doing so can be challenging. How tokenomics function. Tokenomics establishes the economic framework of a cryptocurrency project by creating incentives for token holders and defining the utility of the tokens, which significantly influences their demand. Developers manipulate various variables to influence different aspects of tokenomics, including supply. One of the primary considerations in tokenomics is the supply of coins. It's crucial to assess both the total supply and the circulating supply of a cryptocurrency. For instance, Bitcoin has a capped total supply of 21 million coins, with the last coin expected to be mined around the year 2140. In contrast, Solana has a total supply of 508 million SOL. Non-fungible token (NFT) projects also limit the number of tokens to be minted, creating rarity and exclusivity that can drive up prices. Token allocations and vesting periods. Detailed token allocations to various stakeholders have become common in crypto projects. To enhance product credibility, it's now customary to implement vesting periods for tokens allocated to venture capitalists or developers. These vesting periods lock developers' tokens for a specified duration, safeguarding investors against pump and dump schemes. Mining and staking. Initial blockchain networks like Bitcoin and Ethereum incentivize miners to validate transactions through a process known as proof of work, POW. In contrast, proof of stake, POS, blockchains reward validators who lock a certain number of coins in a smart contract. Ethereum is transitioning to a POS model with its consensus layer upgrade. Yields. Yield farming enables crypto holders to earn additional tokens. Users can lend their funds to those seeking loans through smart contracts and earn interest and principal payments in the form of tokens. Yield farming plays a significant role in decentralized exchanges, DEX, and liquidity provision. Token burns. To combat inflation, crypto protocols often burn tokens, removing them permanently from circulation. As the number of tokens in circulation decreases, scarcity can drive up prices. For example, Binance conducts quarterly burns of its native token, BNB, to reduce its total supply. In 2019, Stellar destroyed 55 billion XLM tokens, approximately 50% of its total supply, resulting in a short-term price increase of over 30%. Tokenomics analysis. Supply and demand are key determinants of cryptocurrency prices. Let's examine how developers work on tokenomics. The supply-side economic theory holds that the value of a token increases when there are fewer tokens in circulation, leading to deflation. Conversely, If the total number of tokens increases, it can lead to inflation and decreased value. When evaluating the supply side, it's essential to consider factors like the existing number of tokens, the algorithmically set issuance schedule, and the future release plans. For example, Bitcoin supply is capped at 21 million coins, with a halving event every 4 years. By June 2022, over 19 million Bitcoins had been mined, leaving approximately 2 million to be mined over the next 120 years. This limited supply mitigates inflationary pressures. The demand side, while supply is a crucial factor, value is primarily driven by demand. To assess demand, factors such as return on investment, ROI game theory, and community enthusiasm must be considered. ROI reflects the cash flow a token generates for simply holding it. For instance, holding Avalanche, a VAX tokens can allow users to stake them to secure the network and earn more VAX. Some protocols distribute a share of protocol revenues to stakers. SushiSwap SUSHI holders, for example, are entitled to the protocol's earnings. Community energy. The enthusiasm of a cryptocurrency's community provides insight into their belief in the token. Monitoring community activity on platforms like Discord, Twitter, and other social media channels can reveal the strength of their commitment. Community energy is a key driver of future demand for a token. Game theory. Game theory, a fundamental concept, helps developers understand decision-making processes among stakeholders in an interactive environment. Elements of game theory can be integrated into tokenomics to boost token demand. Lockup mechanisms, such as those on Curve Protocol, CRV incentivize token holders by offering rewards for locking tokens in a contract. Tokenomics examples. Near Protocol. Near Protocol, NEAR, with various use cases like securing the protocol and acting as a unit of account, offers an example of tokenomics in action. Its token utilities include fees for executing transactions, data storage, staking for network security, and governance participation. NEAR has a total maximum token supply of 1 billion, with a fixed issuance of tokens amounting to approximately 5% of the total supply each year. Of these tokens, 90% are allocated to validators as rewards for securing transactions, storage, and computing. Transaction fees collected by the network are burned to control inflation. Looking ahead, a solid understanding of tokenomics equips you with essential skills for evaluating cryptocurrency projects. By reviewing project documentation and white papers, you can gain insights into token supply and demand dynamics. This knowledge allows you to assess how a project's team is driving demand for its token and make informed analyses of its future prospects. Tokenomics plays a pivotal role in determining how a token will perform relative to the United States dollar, Bitcoin, and other altcoins. Thorough analysis helps you determine whether developers have introduced innovative ideas in token allocation or simply adopted existing practices. Additionally, it aids in identifying projects with robust tokenomics, which can enhance the value of your investment.
To dive deeper into this topic, watch this next video we created for you. Click here and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Your journey into financial freedom begins here.